So you may be wondering what exactly is going to happen if I give you my email address and download this guide. Well, I'm here to tell you our goal is simply this: it's to educate you. As the owner of Innovate Building Solutions, Mike Foti, and the blogger on this site, I've been writing content for 12 years, an article every week, and basically our objective is really to educate you. And yeah, we'll share with you products that we have or dealers that install our products, but it's really our goal first and foremost is for you to learn and know more about these products so you can have a successful Alcove shower or shower replacement kit. So in this guide, what will you get? Well, first you're going to learn about 13 shower replacement kit mistakes you do not want to make. So you'll definitely want to check those out so you can save some money. Secondly, you'll learn about how to compare shower kits. It can be a little bit confusing out there, a lot of different products on the market. We try to break that down and go deep into that. And then lastly, you'll learn about the components of an Alcove shower kit so you know what you should be looking for and make sure your kit is actually a complete kit and not something that's sort of watered down, that's not going to give you everything that you need. Lastly, feel free to go ahead and fill that form out, and if you have any questions, certainly feel free to call us. We'd be more than happy to help you out. Thanks so much for your time, and we look forward to educating you with the guide. Have a great day.